Good day everyone! We are the House of Gamaliel, and today we are going to present or tackle about the series and a sequence. But first, do you have any idea which is about our topic, which is series and a sequence? None? It's okay because we're here to learn and to listen.
Doing objectives in our mathematics talk is we're going to identify series and sequence, and for objective number 2 is we're going to solve the mathematical equations, and for the last one we're going to use sigma notations representing a series.
A series occurs when the terms of sequence are added. The following examples are 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12. As we see in the following example, there is a plus sign which in the given example. The difference between the two is the sequence are used comma and the series use a plus sign.
Sigma notation is a method of representation of the sum of a finite sequence of numbers. We use the Greek letter sigma to write sum using sigma notation. These are the parts of a sigma notation: the upper limit, which the number used to generate the last term in a series. Index for I, the general formula is the starting index value in summation notation, typically represented by the variable at the bottom of the sigma symbol. It indicates where the sum begins.
And now let's solve for the following examples. As we can see, it is divisible by 5 and we use 1 as our index of the sigma, and 6 for the upper limit since there is 6 numbers in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Therefore, the general formula that given is 5 multiplied by the I, which is the 1. And now we multiply 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20, 5 times 5 is 25, and lastly, 5 times 6 is 30. We can't multiply it by 5 times 7 because our upper limit is 6, and therefore this is our sigma notation.
So what if we have this kind of given equation? So we can just solve it by hand in hand or mano-mano, diba? So we have this kind of formula that we can use to solve if the upper limit is greater. So this is the kind of formula we can use if the given upper limit is greater. So we have here, look at this example. Alright, so we have here our formula, and then we're just going to change the n into 40 since our 40 is our upper limit and our index is 1 and the general formula is I squared. So we have here 40, quantity of 40 plus 1 times the quantity of 2 times 40 plus 1, and it's going to be 40 times 41 times 81, and then divided by 6. We don't forget it. And then 40 times 41 times 81 is 132,840 divided by 6 is equals to 22,140. So that is our answer for this equation.
William Thurston said that mathematics is not just about numbers, equations, computations, and algorithms. It's about understanding.
So that's it, guys. This is our presentation for the House of Gamaliel, which is our topic, a series and a sequence. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye!